Okay, so it's been 4 days since I wrecked. I had a flat tire. I filled the tire up because it seemed to be a slow leak. Sure enough, came out the next morning, the tire was flat. So, and then some other stuff happened. But I just worked on getting that tire, I'm not going to say patched. I took the front tire off, took the inner tube out because it does have an inner tube, and found the hole. Did the whole soapy water routine if you've never tried to find a hole in a tire before. And then I didn't have a patching kit, so I just took some Gorilla Tape and put it on where the hole was. I mean, the hole was a pinprick. It was barely doing anything. But I went ahead and patched it with some Gorilla Tape, put it back in, and we're going to see what happens. So, it's still squeaking. I still need to go to the store and get some anti-squeak stuff. But we're going to see how well that patch works. I'll know tomorrow if there's no air in the tire, if it worked or not. But I'm hoping it did. If not, then I just have to buy a new inner tube, which was not on my bingo card, but, you know, I do enjoy riding. We still got some good weather left in Colorado. So, and as you can tell, I mean, the pedal's still a little messed up. I think the pedal bent a little bit. And I'm not dressed to ride today, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm in jeans and boots right now. But I wanted to give this a test and see what was happening. Yeah, some stuff happened. Well, one, it rained on. So my wreck happened on Friday. No. Yeah, Friday. Saturday, I just took a day off from riding. Sunday, it rained all day. And then if you've never been to Colorado, even in the middle of the summertime, it rains cold. Yesterday was Monday, and it topped out at about 50 degrees and overcast, which I probably would have gone for a ride if the bike was working, but it wasn't, so I didn't. Plus, I was taking care of some other things. And then today, I just dedicated, I had a few house cleaning tasks to accomplish, and this was one of them. So we're going to see how long this lasts. I even tried playing with a new mount that I bought, but it wasn't as secure as the one I'm using, which is the one I had been using for the video. So yeah. And that's basically it. When I get a chance to go for a ride, like a long ride, I'll tell you guys what happened over the weekend. Still dealing with that. But yeah, you know, you can probably, you know, hopefully you can guess what happened by the fact that I am not in my normal riding area. But yeah, just kind of testing everything out, seeing how it's going, and moving on. It is not easy to ride this in jeans, I can tell you that much. I do have to adjust the camera. It's angled a little bit in a way that I don't like. And I'm looking at, I got to keep an eye on my truck. It's over there. I left the doors open and stuff, so like wide open because I was cleaning out the back of the truck. It's an SUV, so the back's open, the side doors are open, that kind of thing. So just making sure nobody's getting too close to it. I have a bunch of stuff sitting on the ground next to it. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna go get some squeaky juice. See what I can do about getting rid of the squeak. And then I was supposed to house sit for some friends of mine starting on the 10th. And today's October 7th, 2025. So I was supposed to start on like, what's today? Tuesday? So I was supposed to start on Friday. They're already out of town. Their 18-year-old daughter's watching the house. And they're like, yeah, you can come over anytime. You know, she's just there by herself. And I'm like, is she there by herself? She's an 18-year-old, attractive girl. But, yeah. I don't know if I'll go over early. But I do need to run over there because I did have a Amazon package delivered to their house because I thought I would be there. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go get some squeaky juice. Well, I'm gonna finish loading up my truck. Go get some squeaky juice. See if I can take care of that. And call it a day. Well, not call it a day, but call it a win. So yeah, what was I gonna say? It was something about the bike. I had my knee still got, it's all still scabbed up. So is my toe, and while it still hurts, it's still sensitive. It's not nearly as bad. I actually stopped wearing a Band-Aid on my toe just because it was, it was time to just stop wearing a Band-Aid on my toe. So, wearing boots. Still got the road rash on my toe, but it's all scabbed over, so wearing boots. And that's kind of it. I mean, this so far, right now, and it's 3:59, so nearly 4 o'clock. This is like the longest conversation I've had all day. So my brain to mouth circuitry isn't exactly 100% yet. But yeah, I just wanted to take it for a test ride. Like I said, I'm going to put the bike up and see if it loses any air overnight. And then I'll probably take it for a short ride or two just to see how everything goes. I think worst case scenario, I slowed the leak down enough that as long as I pump the tire up every day, I could probably get a few miles out of it. But we'll see. It's a fat tire bike, and I honestly don't even know where to get a fat tire inner tube other than Amazon. So, all right, that was it. I'm gonna call it. Thanks for checking in on me, and I got a zit on my lip. It's actually kind of annoying. I don't know why. Yeah, we're gonna call it, and thanks for coming along, and have a great day.